We want to see if the expression 3 times 4 plus 5 can be used to find the area of the compound rectangle below. A compound rectangle is a larger rectangle made up of two smaller rectangles, which we can see in the figure. When we look at the expression 3 times 4 plus 5 and we think about order of operations, we know that the operation of multiplication would be performed first in this case. That would be 3 times 4. 3 times 4 can also be used to find the area of one of the two smaller rectangles. You can see one of the smaller rectangles has now been highlighted in blue. That rectangle would have an area of 3 times 4. Now, we also have this plus 5. That would be the second part of this expression that we would evaluate. But if we look at the number 5 in the diagram, that can be thought of as the length of the other smaller rectangle in the figure. However, that length would also need to be multiplied by a width. But as we can see in the expression, it's just plus 5. That 5 is not being multiplied by the width of the rectangle. The width of that second rectangle would also be 3. So we would also need to do 5 times 3 in order to find the area of the second part of this compound rectangle. So what we can conclude is that the expression 3 times 4 plus 5 is not a correct expression that can be used to find the area of this compound rectangle.